Hi, I'm Terry Howland Stanley. I'm the Director of Sales here at Merrill Manufacturing in Storm Lake, Iowa. All right, now I'm going to address some frequently asked questions regarding our pitless adapters. I have chosen just one size here. We have a large variety of material and sizes that we offer in these, but generally speaking, the installation process is going to be the same for any pitless adapter. You're going to have your discharge that has your nut and collar that will go through the side of the casing. Not going to go into the whole installation process because that's not what this is. This is frequently asked questions. But your discharge pipe to your water line is going to be hooked onto the outside of the discharge that goes through the casing, and some people are going to call these slide adapters because your inside body that is going to have your drop pipe and your pull pipe attached is going to be on the inside of the casing, and it's going to slide in here to seal and adhere, and that's going to hold the weight of your pump. One of the questions that we do get asked is, what is your weight rating on these? Okay, it's going to depend on the model. And here's what you have to look at. When we're publishing a weight rating on here, we're not going to publish it in pounds. We're going to publish it in feet of pipe that it will hold when it's hanging off the bottom of here. Your average steel pipe for, let's just say, 1 inch pipe, and then you always have to include your water with that because it's going to be filled with water, is going to weigh just a little over 2 pounds per foot. So when we publish that a certain pitless adapter will hang, the weight rating is 300 feet. That's how you're going to figure it. The weight of your pipe with water, with wire, with the pump cannot exceed that number of footage that we say this will support.
Thanks for stopping by the Merrill YouTube channel. I know that you guys probably, if you're here, you're most likely a DIYer, a do-it-yourselfer. Today we created an easy step-by-step pitless adapter guide that's going to give you instructions on how to install your pitless adapter correctly the first time and saving you time and money in the field. Go ahead and click the link below.
One thing I do want to address, if you're shopping around and you're looking for pitless adapters, you may see that we get the question a lot, why is your weight rating less than other competitors that we see out there? The reason isn't that it is an inferior product or a lesser product. The reason is we adhere to the pitless adapter standards that are set up by Water Systems Council. And these are the recommendations set forth for the pitless adapter standards, and we're going to adhere to those, and we're not going to exceed what their recommendations are. Other competitors or other offerings out there, some choose to not, and that's fine, that's up to them, but I wanted to explain that because we get that a lot, and the fact is all of our pitless adapters are made with the highest quality materials and will support the weight for any proper installation application. But again, you're going to want to stick to what the adapter standards are to begin with. We get asked how durable and how leak-proof the seal is that goes through the side of the casing. The fact that we not only have a very thick O-ring here, we also have a gasket. Not to mention the O-ring that's on the inside that is recessed, which you're going to want that recessed to seal up against here. But on your discharge, you're going to have this. This is more than going to cover the hole that you drill through the side of the casing to install the discharge and put the collar and nut on. So you're going to have very adequate protection on the sealage going through there. And again, these are good solid pitless adapters, and we have a wide enough variety. Depending on what your weight is that you're trying to hang, we will have a model that will accommodate your needs.